Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 18 Ford F350 crew cab long box. You can see the alloy wheels, new tires on it. You know, you might find a minor chip here and there, but for the most part, really clean truck. A Canadian truck that come out of the Washington area. Got the forward running boards. So I don't see any major dents or anything on there. Interior's got the carpet delete, got the rubber mats, so nice for cleanup when you're working with them. 97,777 is the miles. So nice optioned up XLT. Got your trailer brake controller, your upfitter switches, and then all your steering wheel controls. Power windows, locks, of course, cruise and tilt. No issues anywhere on the interior. Doesn't need anything that I can see. Said this is a long box, got the 8-foot box. There's a little bit of concrete the way it looks, so or glue or some sort. There's your backup camera. Here's the inside of your box, nice and clean. All your trailer electrical and your hitch. It does have the FX4 package also. So really nice straight truck. Hasn't been abused, just got some miles going down the highway. So if you're looking for a nice 6.2 gas 3/4 ton, this one is definitely in good shape, and 6.2s have really been good motors. Comes with 3-month, 3,000 mile comprehensive warranty, which covers over 600 items, including drivetrain, suspension, steering, electrical, fuel, AC. So best coverage you'll get anywhere. And 1 year roadside assistance and key replacement. So any questions, give us a call, 605-692-7010.